Hello, everyone. So I'll be taking you through, as Naveed highlighted the overall significance of the kind of good work you do. So you would think of a lot of things which you have to do in terms of generating something, in terms of the communication, in terms of collecting and managing vast amount of data which you have to work with technology as well to communicate with people, generate PowerPoint presentations, generate mission statements, generate various documents for the utilizations of the volunteers, the SOPs, and all. So here is a small demo which will help you and which will help you understand how Copilot can help your life easy. So I'll just go in to going ahead and I'm just sharing my screen, and now you can just see my screen, and this is the view for the Microsoft Copilot, which is in which comes in two modes. One is the web mode, wherein you would be able to kind of get into the web. And if you see this little icon out here which talks about protected, it's basically it's a protection for your private data which you have. And then you have a work mode, wherein you can just go in and you can access all the OneDrives and all the M65 products like the OneDrive, the emails you have, documents which you have stored, and it's a responsible data sharing. It would not share or access all your data. There is a information right management in place which makes sure that it only shares the data which is labeled public, and it does not get into any data which it should not share any confidential data or access it even. So now the good thing is, first thing, let's say, for example, today, I want to go ahead and generate a mission statement for, you know, I want to just go ahead and generate a prompt, which I'll just tell that I want to generate a mission statement for a nonprofit because I am just trying to work with it. So just I'll go in, I'll just go ahead and Copilot would be thinking around, getting in all the information, compiling the data, and getting me the overall values, approach, whatever I need to put in into my a mission statement, which I would need so that I can just start my work on it, and I can quickly go ahead, exported this prompt to the Word document and just save it. There we go. Once I get it done, I can just go ahead and open this document, and if I want to work along with it, so there is a small icon out here which I can click in and just enter the Copilot editing, inline editing mode as well, wherein it can generate some data for me, or I can just say, just go ahead and summarize this doc a little bit because I think it is much more, comprehensive, and I want to summarize and then generate my mission statement. So this is something which I can work out of, and I'll be able to kind of get a summary document out of it. And in the meantime, it's generating a summary document. I just thought of something else to be generated. So I'll just say, go ahead and I want to define mission for cancer charity. So it might go ahead and it might be generating uh, a specific mission for a cancer charity, what it thinks. So if you see this, it has just gone ahead. I can just go ahead and refresh it, or maybe keep it. The moment I keep it, it has just gone ahead and done something. A decent mission statement or a good mission statement has been generated. I can work off it. I can furthermore refine it and work in this whole document and then save it out, and it'll be ready to go. The other part of it would be, let's say, for example, I just go in to a presentation. The next step would be to generate a presentation for uh, my overall mission statement, whatever I have done. So in that case, what I can do is I just am thinking that, okay, now I have done a mission statement. I want to generate something, a presentation for getting in certain, prompts for various letters which I should send out for my fundraisers and all. So I can just go ahead, and for my volunteers, I can just go ahead and type in to create a overall slide out here. So it'll create a whole PowerPoint presentation for me with the relevant data, which can be coming out of the file and it can be worked out. So it'll be just generating everything for me and I can just see. So now it's on work. So I just had a little bit of hiccup where it was not able to understand the file name. Now it will be, because the moment I had put in a forward slash, it just gave me the reference of all the documents I had. And oop, it's not working. So create. So you see, it has started drafting a presentation for me. It's almost 33% I'm there, and soon it'll be kind of ready for me to just go ahead, edit it, and work on the various letter templates, what I can write in for a sample donation, sample request letter for nonprofits, anything I want to send it for, asking donations from business. So it can be ready for my volunteers to just go ahead and, copy these templates and send it out, or I can use Copilot to send out emails as well. So now you see, it has been adding speaker notes. So here you go. So there we are, where it's a whole full-fledged 6-pager presentation is ready for me with the content I have gone ahead and put in from a file. So it can pick it up from various other places as well. And we can just quickly see it. It has all the animations nicely laid out, all the content. So post this, there is something which is one of the major things which we face today as, you know, for fundraisers, our various websites which we have to launch. And these are certain things wherein people are like a little bit worried about that. How would I just generate a website and all, and how this can be done? So here is an example wherein Copilot can come handy in adding some things for you. So let's say, for example, I just go ahead and just say, create form for, you know, students to register for university courses, create form, create a contact us form. So it'll be basically going ahead and creating it out of the box for me, and I don't have to do any code for it. And it's a full-fledged website which will be out there, and I can just go ahead and have a look at this website. So if I just go in, so you can just see the website as well. And in the meantime, this is working to create the form for me. And you will see that a form is ready for me for the personal information, a database to be saved as, and I just can go ahead, click on the next step. All the fields I can verify. Next step, keep the form. And this is a form which is ready on my website. There it is. I can add permissions to it. I can do anything on this. I can just go ahead, click on quick preview, and that would take me to the website which I have created, and I can easily go ahead and see the form which has been created. And if I just go in and I just say, create a mission statement page, it'll be just creating a mission statement page. I'm just creating my website. So this whole website can be created using Copilot out of the template, and it'll generate a mission statement page for me. If you see this, now it has allowed creating a mission statement page for me, and I can just keep it. I can just go ahead and, generate the text out from here, rewrite this. Change the tone of it, and I can just kind of work on the mission statement. I can just go ahead and just say it, you know. So it can be just going ahead, and it'll just foster it. It'll just write various options which is out there, and it'll just, kind of work it out. Charity mission state. So it'll just generate it as it was generating for a bank. There we go. I can just replace the text. I can change the company name. I'm all set with this. And in the meantime, if I just go ahead, click on the preview, go to the website preview, I would be able to see this website as well, which is a live website, which I'm working on. So it's all available on this. Just copy this link and open it out here. So as Naved was telling, that there's a array of products which you can use Copilot with. And this is one of the examples. A full-fledged website for a volunteer engagement has been generated by Copilot. It has the relevant contact details, the forms. I need to work out with the permissions. So that's why I was not able to show it. But yes, you have the mission statement generated. You have the various full website generated over here. So that's all the power of Copilot. It's just a brief overview of it. You have a lot you can do. What happens in the back end, you can use Copilot to send out emails. You can use Copilot to work out for files which you have seen, and you can put them to generate mission statements, generate text for you, and all those things. So those all things can be done as well. And in the back end, Sify can help you in generating this whole thing. What happens in the backend can be easily shown to you. We can just help you to, kind of get trained on it and do it yourself, or, you can just kind of work out with the relevant steps. So the first step is getting the license for the Copilot. And that is something which is, I think, the relevant discounts and relevant offers would be worked out for you as a charity organization, as a nonprofit, what all would be there, and we can just get back to you with the details. You would need the licensing for Copilot, and then you are good to go to use it with all your Office apps, with you to use with your all your videos, browsers. And there's one good thing I just wanted to show you as well, that it has a capability to summarize videos as well. Summarize, let's say, video. I'll just go to the web, looking for some videos, and just see that, search for Charity UK videos. So it's something how it can just help you save time as well, because you don't have to look through a video. You just have to go ahead and ask them to just, watch a video, and it can be summarized for you. So, and you can just go ahead, learn more on this, and you can just say, you can just go in and just say, any questions which you're asking, how can I get involved in it? And you can summarize any of the videos as well. So that's all about what can be done. And this is just the tip of the iceberg for this whole demo, because it's just you get a lot of things which are there. These copilots bots which are being generated can be used across the whole application stack of like Power Apps. You can use it around various Word formats. You can use it with Power Forms. You can use it anywhere and everywhere. So that's a pretty neat product for increasing a lot of productivity, reducing go to market time, reducing your effort, and generating some high quality content plus high quality output for your tasks which you are doing. So